All right, I want to welcome you. I am happy you are here. My name's Ryan, the green guy over there with the spiky hair. 2 kids, dog, and a lovely wife. And here we are in our home. We're pretty normal as a family, but we've got stuff breaking all the time. We're just trying to live life, keep things upgraded, maintaining things around the house. It's a lot of fun, but it's a huge headache too, and of course can be really costly in the end, right? We're fixing things all the time. We have new ideas. How do we make the house a better place and a better space? All these things that we buy, right? For example, a new kayak. Well, how does it perform, and do I like it, right? So this channel is all about home projects, DIY style, on a budget, saving you time and money. And I do lots of product reviews too in this channel. Let me tell you a little bit more about myself. I'm a teacher by trade. Friends and family say that I'm a good listener. I'm a learner. Of course, I'm a father, as I mentioned, a husband, and a huge cheapskate, but not at the expense of good quality, right? I know the difference. A good deal of whatever I happen to earn in this great big thing called life goes to trying to keep my home in tip-top shape, I would say. Lots of repairs, like I said before, renovation projects, upgrades, new things for the kids, things like that. But the key here is I always try to do the work myself, right? And this is a way that I've figured out to save really thousands of dollars every year by not having to write checks for other people to do the work, right? I'm a big believer in self-education, of course, coupled with being a tightwad. That is what works for me. But I do things smartly. I always vet any purchases, making sure I buy things on Amazon, for example, that are 4.5 stars, 5 stars, right? And I do lots of research before. I'm no professional, I'm just a DIYer, but I am a lifelong learner, and I always push my limits when it comes to DIY projects around the house. So if I see something I don't think I can handle, I know my limits, I know when to get out the checkbook and to pay somebody, a professional, to do it for me, but I'm all about trying things, doing things myself. I try to make my place and space a better, more comfortable place to be. Some of my coolest jobs you can see here in the highlight reel. I've got lots of goofs as well. I would say flops, right? Things breaking and whatnot. That's part of the process. So I would encourage you to, if you don't have any handy skills or handy person skills, definitely don't let that stop you. You can always learn, right? I once was a novice. I started with 0 years of experience, and now I've got 3 homes under my belt, and I'm about 12 years of home ownership in. And so lots of practical experience, right? This idea that you can start with very little or nothing and learn to become quite proficient in your ability to renovate and maintain things around your home. So that's what this channel is all about. You can, learn how to do things like repair drywall. How do you clean your window screens? How do you install a bathroom faucet? How do you tile a floor or a shower? I learned everything on my own, and I think you can as well. My goal is to save you time and money researching how-to projects with clear and simple explanations, right? So you can learn from my successes and my mistakes. As I mentioned, I also review anything from tools to kids' toys or anything really cool or worthwhile to have around your home, in my opinions. This includes things like, a belt sander or a fire pit, or heck, even a kid's bike or a grill, right? Anything to kind of make your space a better place. So I welcome you to join our growing community of DIYers here on my channel. Click that subscribe button, and I will see you out there in my videos. Much peace and much love.